Today topic is what is torquing and how to control torquing. Torquing is basically in the knit fabric. Uh, when seams gets twisted, right seam going backward and back seam going front forward. One salvage to another salvage. So now you can see when I'm folding from here, so this much of difference is coming. Okay. In other words, you can see how much slant is going this. Now you can see if we have to cut it properly, then we have to waste this fabric, right? This is the extra going side. So how to control is the CPL. We have to get the fabric CPL. Single part of the garment is long cut and sent for washing and then recut. What we have to do is we have to take up a long pattern and mark this straight and then make this 2-inch all around marking. So like this is how the panel will go for washing. From here like this and then cut it and then send it forward. So after washing we again need to fold like this. After that wash panel we fold like this, but then we have to hold like this, okay, like this. So now center is straight, okay, keep it like this and then keep this pattern again and mark and then cut it. So this is recut. So this method is more accurate because we are doing each panel by panel washing. Another option is we calculate one piece marker. Suppose we keeping two piece marker, okay, then we place the pattern, okay, calculating how long the layer needs to be, okay. Suppose by front then back, so one piece, then front and back two pieces. So how long is actually cutting layer, okay. Then we need to add the shrinkage. So we calculated for two pieces how much layer one layer needs to be cut from one end to another end, because cutting is always done in the layer, right? Two piece, three piece market. Because single piece cutting is always expensive. So and it's slow. Production is slow. When we cut two three pieces together and 50 layer of garment layer, so 50 to 350 pieces we are cutting together in one shot. Whereas in single piece, single layer, we can't keep layer. Layer, yes, after settling like this, we can settle more layers and then we can cut together. But that will be a one piece and that will go for grand line. That is not cut by machine, hand machine. So that's a grand knife. They turn it and they make the cutting. Okay. So this is two methods. So when we suppose our shrinkage is 10% in length and width, so we have to place the patterns, marking extra 10%, and then inside the 10% we have to place the patterns, so that if sometimes we cut it till last, then if we cut it till edge and if it is shrink, then you can't use that pattern, then your layer is wasted. So when we do the CPL layer, calculation of width and length shrinkage is very important, and that we need to put it in the fabric. And then I'm giving you the example, if 5% shrinkage is there, so if 2 meters cutting layer is required to fix the patterns in one layer, so two pieces, then this 2 meter plus 5% is 10 centimeter more. So 10 and 12 centimeter they need to cut it and send for washing. So after washing, they will relay the layer, and then the shrinkage is controlled and torquing is also controlled in that way. So because and then best way is after the layer is washed, because this is a layer now washed, and now we have to hold at center and then mark like this, and then 10 layers, 20 layers, and then mark it, and then band knife so you can cut it. So after cutting you can see our this panel. After this is the center. So how we have to check the cutting, like we have to hold from center, and then we have to see that this is exactly matching here or not. So this was perfectly matching. Okay, because this is a single vertical, is easy after cutting is rolling out, because this is lightweight fabric. So this was controlled. Earlier it was like this. After we folding, is coming like this. Is coming like this. So if it is like this, then switching. Is any question?
सर ये जो टॉपिक है हमें कौन कौन से फैब्रिक में ज़्यादा देखने को मिलता है?
This is always in knit fabric. Lightweight jersey is always having a lot of torquing. Even rayon knit also, jersey rayon knit is always has the torquing issue. Like rib has less, then stretch fabric also has less, but for knits and slub knits is always. But if it is a lightweight fabric, is having more.
सर आप अभी आपने जैसे जर्सी का बताया कि हम इसमें ऐसे टॉकिंग कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं, तो मतलब अलग अलग फैब्रिक में क्या अलग अलग तरीके से टॉकिंग?
No, this is the two methods to do the control the torquing by doing CPL. One is CPL in the mill, one process, and after that we have to check if there is a torquing. If like we have to check like this, we cut the head end and hold it from center and see. So this is a big torquing in this style, in this fabric. So this is actually a jersey, lightweight jersey. Okay. This is 125 GSM jersey. So and slub. So slub and lightweight, it gets twisted by knitting. So that is why, because it comes in the tube. This is the method I explained how to control the torquing. CPL, you have to do CPL, and CPL has two ways to control. One is a panel, one piece panel, and one is the layer panel. Layer is the faster and less expensive, but when we go for single panel marking and sending for washing and then coming back, you need to put layer stickers also. You need to extra cage for layer numbers, so when they are coming back from washing, they need to match that layers, all parts layers, to avoid shadings and all, right? So this is how we import. Now you can see this t-shirt. I will explain what is torquing. So torquing is when we check, we hold any garment like this from here, and then make it straight, and then put it on the table, and then make sure this is black, and then you see where your side seams are going. Okay, now you can see this side seam is not visible at front. Then we need to turn and see. So now you can see our side seam is twisting towards back, right side seam. It is 1.5 inch twisting. Okay, so this is the issue. Okay, and at front you can see this is almost 1 inch or 3/4. this thing towards front. So this is called torquing. So this is called torquing, okay? And how much percentage is there in this sample? We have to see the length. लिख के जाना और इसको वो करना. Length is 17, okay? And this is 1.5. So 1.5 calculator करो. 1.5 into 100. 1.5 into 100 divided by 17. 17. कितना है? 8.82% torquing is there. So we accept 5%. So this is quite big. And there is another some buyers they measure from length, okay, 25.5, okay. They measure length from HPS, and then whatever here it's coming. So 1.5 into 100 divided by 25. So now the percentage will be less. 6, right?
2%. So it's 8.6.
6. So normally I prefer to measure from here, from the seam where it's twisting. So that is the best way. This, by measuring this, percentage is less. It's quite close to the passing percentage, right? 6% is just 1% extra. So always from armpit we have to measure. This is 17 inch and this 1.5. So 1.5 into 100 divided by 17 is the percentage. So this is 8%. So this is reject. Nobody will buy this garment, right? Seems
1.5 is a bit of profit.
1.5 is the seam is going back. Okay. When we turn this, we have to see how much side seam going back. So this is 1.5. So this is 1.5. So 1.5 into 100 divided by 17 divided by inseam length. If it is in the pant, also you can measure outside outseam. If it is inseam. So this is torquing and how to control torque. So, stop.